What is going on? Everybody, it's Tyro Investing here with another video. Today's video is going to be a little different for me. I'm going to mix it up a little bit. I'm going to try to do a weekly series. Obviously, I love long-term investing, but I want to take advantage of, not that I am some oracle and know the future, but I think I spend enough time researching. I have a good group of people I follow on X that all have really good minds that can follow trends. So I'm going to start doing a weekly series on the weekend of my top two stocks I'm focusing on for the week, and what I'm looking for out of them, and how to profit off that sort of stuff. So let's jump right into it. And guys, if you are watching this, please hit the subscribe button if you're not already. If you are already, love you, appreciate you. That's awesome. If you're not though, definitely do it because it means a lot. And I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers right now. I believe I'm at like 450 ish, 445. So we're almost there. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this video series I'm going to be starting. So let's jump right into it. The first stock I want to talk about is Rich Tech Robotics, ticker ticker symbol, ticker symbol RR. The reason I am watching slash liking this stock is because um, I think the robotics sector in general showed a lot of strength last week, and especially on Friday when a lot of the market was selling off. These stocks were showing some relative strength. Not just RR, but a few other robotics companies. In particular, there's another one I like called Served SERV. That actually performed even better. But I like Rich Tech Robotics. It's definitely a smaller cap. And actually, I think after market hours on Friday, they did an offering, which, that's to be expected with smaller cap type stocks. They're trying to raise capital and stuff. But I think in general, the robotics sector is going to be very good for 2025. I think that's, something we're going to start to see a lot more of, a lot more updates like humanoid robots, stuff like that. I think it could be a very hot sector in 2025. So let's just zoom out here. This IPO'd in late 2023, so it's a relatively new stock slash company. It saw some good hype early on, got up above $10, and it's kind of been like it had this big base and then it dropped off, and now it's been like and it's been breaking out of this, like, I would have said resistance here at like $2, and then it broke out and it's been consolidating here. And we did see a breakout there. Like I said, it's had some really good relative strength the last week. Now did have that offering, so I'm thinking, there might be some more opportunities to buy inside of this pattern here. And I think as long as the robotics sector can stay hot and have strength compared to the rest of the market, I think that's something that could easily get bought up. I wouldn't be surprised to see this back above three. I think it closed after hours in like the mid twos, like 280, something like that. So, um, yeah, and in general, I just think this sector is hot. But I think the relative strength on Friday it showed makes me believe that there could be some more fireworks for the week. Now, I definitely think this is a stock, small cap stock you can make some money on long term. But I think short term in this coming week, this will definitely be one to watch. And my guess, it's gonna open up back down here after this nice breakout because of that offering. But if other stocks like in the robotics sector that I'm watching, like SERV, continue to do well, I see no reason why this won't. And then, if we buy it in the high twos, 280, 290, I think we can definitely get back above three and possibly back up above 330. So yeah, I think that's my first stock. And my second stock I'm looking at is ACHR, Archer Aviation. Now, this is a drone stock, and the research I've done on them is fundamentally, I think they're going to keep growing. And again, this is another relatively small cap stock. They've got a lot of business, America and overseas, and I think they're really poised to do well in the future. But in terms of this week, this chart pattern is getting very, very, very tight. I think once it's kind of been basically held here in this low nines range, and if we get a 1 or 2 more days, I think late in the week, this could, I mean, it's either going to break down or break up. This could go either way here, but this is why you put these things on your watch list. If we get a breakout here later in the one, so this is going to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So by Friday, this will definitely be either out or up, out of this chart pattern. And whichever way it goes, I think we're going to see some quick movement on this. This is already, it goes from 928 to it's making almost dollar swings sometimes in these daily candlesticks. So this is one I'm also definitely watching. Again, I think this is another sector that is going to grow a lot in the coming years. The drone sector, they have good partnerships. So long term, this is another stock to definitely watch. But in terms of this week, I like how it's tightening in here. My two moving averages are basically been hugging each other for a week. So I think there's a really volatile move incoming here. If you can buy around $9 right now, I would not be surprised to see this trading for 10 or trading for 8 this next week. So obviously I would prefer to catch this to the upside and go from like 9 to 10. Boom, nice trade, take some profit. But yeah, those are the top stocks that I'm watching for this week. I feel like I laid out the plan for them, and I'll be next week's video. I'll be updating how I did, or if I took any trades, or if I didn't. Now, again, this isn't me saying take some trades, buy these right away. This is like laying out a plan. If this happens, we should be able to make money. If this doesn't, you know, don't trade it essentially. So I'm just gonna, this isn't financial advice or nothing. I'm just giving some ideas that I like that I'll be watching personally, and hopefully we can make some money this week. Yeah, if you guys are watching again, please subscribe, like the video, and give me some comments on if you guys are looking at these at all or what you think of these companies. So appreciate y'all watching, and we'll catch you at the next one.